Stop scrolling right now, because what I'm about to show you could seriously upgrade your gold trading in 2026. What if I told you there's a new free gold EA 2026 that can compete with paid robots? And today, I'm going to reveal the best settings for maximum profit on XAUUSD. In this video, I'll explain how this EA works, why it performs well on gold, and exactly how to configure it properly for both small and large accounts. But before we go further, understand this: no EA is magic. The difference between profit and blown account is always risk management and settings. So let's talk about how this EA works. The new free gold EA 2026 is optimized specifically for XAUUSD and performs best on the M15 and M30 timeframes. It uses a combination of trend detection, breakout confirmation, and smart retracement entries. Instead of randomly opening trades, it waits for volatility expansion and momentum alignment. One major advantage is that it does not rely on aggressive martingale systems that multiply lot sizes dangerously. That's important because gold is highly volatile. When gold moves, it moves fast, especially during London and New York sessions. This EA focuses on controlled entries and structured stop-loss placement based on recent price action, with dynamic take-profit targets that adjust to volatility. Now let's move to the most important part: the best settings for maximum profit. I'll break this into two categories. For small accounts between $100 and $500, use 0.01 lot per $100 balance. Keep your risk between 2% and 3% maximum. Set maximum open trades to 3. Turn the news filter on to avoid high-impact news like FOMC or NFP. I recommend turning auto lot OFF so you manually control position size. Set your spread filter to a maximum of 30 points to avoid entering during unstable spread conditions. With these settings, growth may look steady instead of explosive, but your account survival rate will be much higher. And survival is the key to long-term compounding. For larger accounts above $1,000, you can increase flexibility slightly. Risk can be adjusted between 3% and 5%. If you understand the potential drawdown, max trades can be increased to 5, but only if your margin level remains strong. Activate trailing stop to lock in profits during strong gold trends. Set break-even activation around 300 to 500 points. So once price moves in your favor, the trade becomes protected. This setup allows you to capture big gold moves while minimizing downside risk. Now, let's talk about trading sessions. This EA performs best during high volume sessions, London and New York. Avoid low liquidity conditions unless volatility is present. Also, do not increase risk during major geopolitical uncertainty unless you are monitoring the market. If you apply these settings properly, this free gold EA 2026 has strong potential to deliver consistent results. Trade smart, manage your risk, and remember, long-term consistency always beats short-term hype.